Hi, this is a look at Modality Systems Governance and Security module of Teamwork Analytics. This module is specifically aimed at those interested in IT security, ISO, GDPR, compliance, anybody around security in terms of IT. And here we're looking for governance best practices and also any sharing issues or compliance issues. So for example, we start at housekeeping. Housekeeping gives a complete overview of the environment, and these red squares here are anything that's out of compliance with our organisation's best practice. So for example, this can be there are no messages posted in a team, or there aren't enough owners in the team, or a description or a name is incorrect. For Modality, best practice is to have -external in the team name if there are any guests in the team. Teamwork Analytics can look through all the teams, cross-reference that they've got guests and check that the naming convention is compliant. And if an owner is to change the name and make it non-compliant, not only will it show up in the reporting, but we will also have an adoption automation overlay that will ping the users either via email or via bot message to point out to them that their team is out of compliance and they need to either rename it, change it, delete it, whatever's appropriate for the business. We also have detailed reports on public, private, hidden teams. So generally best practice for ISO, for example, is to have private teams, to not have them open to the entire organisation, and really detailed reports on inactive teams, public teams with guests, any changes that have been made in the environment that might take teams out of compliance. We also dig further than just teams into SharePoint permissions. So if a private team is set to only be shared between 5 people, we can check if the SharePoint permissions for that team match that, or if somebody in the team has opened up the SharePoint permissions. So a common issue in teams is that a team appears to be private to the members, but somebody has gone to the SharePoint and shared the files or the folders out to the rest of the organisation. With Teamwork Analytics, we can catch that and even again use automation to either prompt the user to correct it or go and automatically correct it. If you'd like more information on the Governance and Security module, you can go into AppSource, download it yourself and try it out. And if you'd like to check it out with your own data, contact us and we can set you up with a trial. Thanks.